Welcome to our Family Learning Child Development video. In this video, we'll be talking about the emotional and the social development of your baby. Usually, babies don't take notice of other babies around them. They are more interested in attracting the attention of their parents. They will use crying, waving with their arms, and kicking with their legs to attract your attention. They are trying to get you into contact with them. Usually they will start smiling after the 6 or the 8 weeks, and they will try to show you that they are happy or unhappy by crying, using crying as a way of communication with you and to express their emotions. Also, babies in the first 6 months, they are able to know the difference between a shout and a smile, and they also able to know the difference between a stranger and a family member. And usually they feel shy, a little bit anxious around the strangers, so it is recommended that if you will introduce a stranger or someone they are not familiar with, to introduce that gradually. Also, they will be able to look at your face and interact with you, and they will build in this period of time a sort of trust relationship between them and their parents. If you notice that after maybe 3 or 4 months, when you start holding them and hugging them or carrying them, they usually will stop crying, and that shows that they are having a trust relationship between you and them. Also, they will show joy in interacting with you, and they can be shy around the strangers at the beginning, but after some time they will be quiet and fine with that. If your baby is not interacting at all, if your baby doesn't stop crying while you're holding them for a while, if they are not responding when you are calling their name, these things you need to discuss that with your GP. Also, there are some tips for you as a parent to try to use with your baby. First of all, when the baby is a newborn, we encourage you to use the skin-to-skin time with your baby. This is important because they need that in the first few weeks of their lives. Also, when your baby starts to cry, always respond. Do not ignore your baby, and always have time to communicate with them, eye contact with them all the time, and have some quiet play time. Go to the floor, sit on the floor, and have time to interact socially, build the relationship of love and trust between you and your baby. Treat your baby with respect and show affection. Touch them, kiss them, hug them, have time with them, make them feel that they are accepted, that they are loved, and they are welcome in your family. Do not ignore them and do not leave them unattended. Always keep time with your baby. To take them around the house when they are trying to do things while you are looking at them, and try to copy them and imitate them and interact with them. Singing, reading books, spending time together. This is the most important thing for your child development. I hope this video is helpful to you and your baby, and for more videos and resources, please visit our website www.familylearning.ie.